Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cutting power. Remove the batteries or unplug the USB cable because you will work on live contacts otherwise. Once done, examine the battery tray, contact springs, and the controller's USB port for grime or corrosion. Dirty contacts often stop button signals. Use a 70% or stronger isopropyl swab to clean metal contacts and the outer edge of buttons, and then let everything dry fully. This first step often fixes intermittent or dead button behavior. You now open the controller by removing the back screws and gently separating the shell. Keep track of screws. Once open, locate the flat flex cable and button membrane. Make sure connectors are seated and not torn because loose ribbons break the signal path. Clean the rubber pads and the PCB button contacts with isopropyl and a lint-free swab. Compressed air removes trapped dust. Reseat the membrane evenly so each rubber dome aligns over its contact before reassembly. You finish by aligning the shell and screws, tightening them evenly to avoid warping the plastic because misalignment can press buttons incorrectly. Reconnect power and pair the controller, then test every button in the system menu and a quick game. Firmware updates can restore responsiveness, so check for an update. If buttons still fail, try another controller on the same console to confirm whether the issue is local to your unit. If so, replacing the rubber pad or button board is the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.